You don't need more time. You need better attention. You don't need more hours in your day. You need to stop leaking the ones you already have. Think about it. You don't lose focus because you're lazy. You lose it because your brain is living in notification mode, constantly half open, half thinking, half scrolling. If you've ever said, "Where did my day go?" this is for you. Here's the truth. Time doesn't disappear. Attention gets stolen. Every swipe, ping, and quick check is a micro withdrawal from your focus account. By 3 p.m., you're mentally bankrupt. So here's how you fix it. It's called the 3-window rule. It's stupidly simple, and it works. Window 1, deep work, 2 hours. Choose one task that actually matters. No tabs, no Slack, no music. Silence your phone, close everything else, and give it your brain's full horsepower. You'll get more done in 2 hours of total focus than in 8 hours of distracted work. Window 2, admin mode, 1 hour. This is where you reply, schedule, and scroll. Yes, you can scroll, guilt-free, but only here. Contain your chaos so it stops bleeding into your best hours. Window 3, recharge, 30 minutes. Walk, stretch, sit with silence. Your brain isn't a machine. It's a muscle that grows during rest, not stress. Skip this window, and your focus crashes by 40%. If you just manage when you focus instead of trying to focus all day, you'll suddenly find hours you thought you lost. Try tomorrow. Pick your deep work window. Write it down. Set a timer. Tell people you're offline. Then protect it like rent money. Within a week, you'll notice something weird. You'll stop saying, "I need more time," and start saying, "I actually finished what I started." That's the shift. You don't need a longer day. You need a brain that stops starting and starts finishing. Subscribe if you're done chasing time and ready to control it.